Hey there, so today we are going to make friendship key rings. You're really going to like this one, so get some little key ring holders. You can get these with your own keys if you've got them. You might already have a little spare one. If not, you can buy these from the craft shop as well. Really cheap, and you can get a little bag of them, and depending on how many friends or it could be for the teacher, anything situation. Then we get some string. I just got some multicoloured sort of luminous string here that I bought from the craft shop too, just because it's a bit of variety. It's really nice and bright and very strong as well. And then we're going to get some beads as well, so I bought a pack of beads as well. So I got my things from Hobbycraft today. You can get them from anywhere, it doesn't have to be from there, it can be from all the different types of craft shops. And then we've got a different variety of beads here, so we can do different names and a few different colours as well. And then your string, you're going to have a few little threads of string, not just one piece, because we want it to be nice and strong. So layer up a few little threads like this all together, and then we're going to put it just in between the keyring part that we're going to tie a nice big knot in the top, and that'll make it nice and strong. So these rings, they are really easy to use there. You just tie it on, then you start threading your letters, and your letters can be anybody's name, and they are fabulous for little friends to show them that you really care. They're great for book bags and things like that to put on. My son, he loves his on his little book bag. He did one for the teacher, and they were just really impressed at the end of half term. Really nice little present, and it's handmade and it's thoughtful and it's from your little one. So they are fabulous gifts. So definitely with the teacher side, have a little look into that, you know. And if it's like a Mr. Smith or a Miss Jones or Miss Jones, sorry, that Rigsby there, and whatever it may be, put that type of thing on the teacher as well, and they really appreciate that because they can put it on their bags. And there's just the last bit of the threading this in, so it might take an adult or a grown-up to help you just do this last little bit. And then what we're going to do is do a little knot at the end just to tie it all together, and it's really as simple as that. Start off with a knot on the loop, thread all your letters on for your name, and then a knot at the end, and then you will be left with some little fuzzy straggly bits at the end of the knot too. So we're going to get our scissors, and we're just going to cut the end and just make it a little bit more straighter, or you can fray it, or you can go an adult just to get a little bit of a lighter, and just to seal them ends. But it is fine, it doesn't come undone depending on what string you use. And then that is done. We are done with our little friendship key ring, which is absolute fabulous little gift and present, especially if you attach it to a little card with a nice little message. They will absolutely love it. Your friends and family and teachers and everyone around you will love these little name key rings. So have a little go. See what you think. It's really fun, really easy to do. You just need a couple of beads, a little ring loop and some string. And that's it. All done. Have a little go and check out more things over at Kimberley Vickers Kids Art Tag. And even though these are the longer videos, just explaining how to do things step by step, you can also check out my shorts, YouTube shorts, and also Instagram, and I'll give you a really quick way of doing this too. So you don't have to do it the long way, you can do it the quick way if you haven't got time to go through the things step by step. Okay, have fun!